Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to monetize your TikTok page with TikTok Creator Rewards. Let's get started. First, open TikTok and tap on your profile at the bottom of the screen. Then tap the three lines in the top right corner. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Then tap Account, then under Account, switch to a business account. This unlocks more monetizing features and analytics. Then go back, then tap the three lines again and select TikTok Studio. Scroll down to Monetization, then tap View All to see your available programs. Here you'll find creator rewards, video gifts, subscriptions, and more. If you're eligible, just toggle them off on. For example, creator reward requires at least 10,000 followers. If not eligible yet, tap Notify Me and TikTok will alert you when you qualify. Once you start earning, you can see your reward balance at the top and transfer it to your bank account after reaching the payout threshold. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.